These are the deals for Rite Aid for the week of November 9th through the 15th. First, the L'Oreal Paris products are on sale. When you spend $20, you'll get $5 as an up reward. Limited 2 times you can do this deal. I put together a makeup deal with 4 items. The Magic Skin Beautifier BB Cream, which is $10.99. The L'Oreal True Match Liquid Makeup, which is also $10.99. The True Match Blush, which is also $10.99. And the True Match Super Blendable Powder, which is also $10.99. The makeup is on sale. Buy one, get one, 50% off. There's a $2 off coupon in your Red Plum newspaper insert of today. If you get all 4 items and use 4 coupons, you'll pay $24.94 out of pocket, get a $10 up reward. It's like getting each item for $3.75. If you didn't want to get all 4 items and you only wanted to get 2 items, you could spend half the amount and get half of the up reward back. The Clearasil is on sale. Buy one, get one, 50% off. Plus, when you purchase 2, you'll get a $5 up reward. The Daily Clear Acne Treatment Cream, the 0.65 ounce size is $6.59. There's a 50 cents off coupon found at Clearasil.com and a $2 off 2 video values coupon that you can stack with it. If you buy 2 and use the 3 coupons, you'll pay $6.89 out of pocket, get the $5 up reward. It would be like getting each thing for 94 cents. The Dial is on sale, 2 for $8. Plus, when you purchase 2, you'll get a $2 up reward. Down here at the bottom it mentions the Dial Acne, which is either a face wash, a body wash, or the bar soap, which there's a $1 off coupon for any of those items found at redplum.com or in your Red Plum newspaper insert of October 12th. So if you buy 2 and use the 2 coupons, you'll pay $6 out of pocket, get the $2 back. It'll be like getting each thing for $2. When you purchase $30 worth of Olay items, you'll get a $10 up reward. Limited 2 times you can do this deal. The Olay additionally is on sale. Buy one, get one, 50% off. So if you get 4 of the Ultimate Moisture body washes that are $4.99 and 4 of the body lotions that are $5.99 and use 4 of the $1 off coupons for the body wash found at coupons.com, you'll need 2 computers to print 4 coupons. And 4 of the $1 off coupons for the lotion also found at coupons.com, you'll pay $24.94 out of pocket, get the $10 back. It would be like getting each thing for $1.87. When you clip this coupon out of the weekly circular, you'll get $2 off of Clairol Natural Instincts or Nice and Easy Hair Color, which is regularly $7.99. There's an additional $3 off coupon that you can stack with it that's found in your Smart Source newspaper insert of October 12th. That would make your final out-of-pocket price $2.99. The Arm & Hammer Advanced White Toothpaste is on sale. Buy one, get one free. Plus, when you purchase 2, you'll get a $2 up reward. The up reward is good until the 29th of November. If you get 4 of the toothpaste and use $1 off 2 coupon found at armandhammer.com, you'll pay $6.98 out of pocket. You'll get 2 $2 up rewards, so it'll be like getting each tube of toothpaste for 75 cents. The Bausch & Lomb Peroxy Clear, the 3-ounce bottle is on sale for $4.99. When you buy one, you'll get a $2 up reward. There's a $2 off coupon found in your Smart Source newspaper insert of October 5th. That means you'll pay $3 out of pocket, you'll get $2 back. It's like getting it for $1. The OptiFree is on sale for $8.99. When you buy one, you'll get a $2 up reward. There's a $4 off coupon found at iFile.com, spelled EYE. That means you'll pay $5 out of pocket, get $2 back. It's like getting it for $3. The Ricola cough drops are on sale for $1.75. There's a $1.50 off 2 coupon found in today's Red Plum newspaper insert. That means each bag is $1. It's an okay price. The Halls cough drops are on sale for $1.50 each when you buy 2. When you buy 2, you'll get a $1 up reward. There's a $1 off 2 coupon found in your Smart Source newspaper insert of November 2nd or of October 5th. That means you'll pay $2 out of pocket, get $1 back. It's like getting each bag for 50 cents. The Cottonelle bath tissue, the 12 count, is $12.49. It's on sale, buy one, get one free. There's a 75-cent off coupon found in your Smart Source newspaper insert of September 14th. If you buy 2 and use 1 coupon, because you can't use a coupon on a free item at Rite Aid, you'll pay $5.87 for each one. So I've mistakenly listed the Johnson & Johnson baby items as only needing to purchase 2 of them, but to hit 10, you're going to need to purchase 4. If you get 4 of the items that are on sale 2 for $6 and use 2 of the $1.50 off 2 coupons found at coupons.com, you'll pay $9 out of pocket. You'll get the $2 up reward. You'll pay $1.75 for each item. The Extra Laundry Detergent, the 39 to 50 load, is on sale for $1.99. There's that $1 off coupon found at coupons.com or in today's Smart Source newspaper insert. It would make it $1 out of pocket. The Renewsit cones are on sale for $1 each when you buy 3, plus when you purchase 3 you'll get $1 back. There's a $1 off 3 coupon found at renewsit.com or at facebook.com. There's a buy 3 get 1 free coupon found in your Red Plum newspaper insert of November 2nd. If you use the $1 off 3 coupon, you'll pay $2 out of pocket, get $1 back. It would be like getting each one for 33 cents. The M&Ms are on sale. The 9.9 to 12.6 ounce bag is $2.50 each. When you purchase 2, you'll get $1 back. There's a $1.50 off 2 coupon found at coupons.com, but it's a direct link coupon. I'll list it in the down bar. If you buy 2 and use the coupon, you'll pay $3.50 out of pocket. You'll get $1 back. It's like getting each bag for $1.25. Select non-chocolate peg candy is on sale for $2 each. There's a $1 off coupon for the Werther's caramel popcorn at revtrax.com. There's a $1 off coupon for the caramel popcorn also at carameloffers.com. There's a $1 off coupon for just the regular caramels at wertherscaramelshop.com or at revtrax.com. There's a buy one get one free coupon for the Swedish fish found in your Smart Source newspaper insert of October 26th. Depending on what you get, if you get the caramel popcorn, you'll pay $1 for each bag. Rite Aid has 3 gift card deals this week. The Vanilla MasterCard gift card is on sale. When you buy 2 or more, you'll get a $5 up reward. I don't know if there's any fees associated with this card. The Red Robin or Regal Theaters gift card is on sale. When you spend $25, you'll get a $5 up reward, limit of 2 times that you can do this deal. So you could get one of each kind if you wanted. And then another deal, Sears or Bass Pro Shops gift cards are on sale. When you spend $50 or more, you'll get a $10 up reward. Limited 2 times you can do this deal. Let's just talk about Sears for a minute. I think I'll go through that a little fast in order to save some time in the video. But there's a couple of deals at Sears this week I just really want to show you. First, if you go to shopyourway.com and you have a Shop Your Way rewards card, which is free to join, you can get $10 back on any $30 you spend when you clip this coupon. And there's a variety of things on sale that return as many points back as it costs this week. Like the WOW single USB charger is on sale for $9.49. When you purchase it with your Shop Your Way rewards card, you'll get $9.49 back. Now, anything that says WOW, points don't roll. And what that means is if you already have the points, you can't use the points to purchase it. You'll have to purchase it out of pocket. If you purchase the Sears gift card at Rite Aid, you wouldn't need to. You could get the double wall charger for $14.24 and get $14.24 back in points. You could get the double USB charger and a car charger, $18.99, and get $18.82 back in points. So not total coverage of the cost, but close enough. You could get the screen stylus for tablets for $9.49 and get $9.49 back in points. I have another one that appears very similar with a similar price. Another thing I wanted to mention about WOW items is I think there's a limit of like $18 or $19 total that you can get for branded WOW items and points. I have the Nakamichi wireless Bluetooth headphones in black for $47.49 and you'll get back less than half of that, $8.47 in points, and you can get it in black and red. You have a 3D television already that's compatible with these Samsung 3D glasses. You can purchase them for $18.99 and get back $14.24 in points. And one last thing I wanted to show you, this doesn't even return any points. You can get the Craftsman black heated jacket on sale for $108. It's in men's sizes medium through 3X. Fortunately, there's no women's sizes, but it seems kind of like a unisex shape to me. And what I think is so neat about this jacket is the heated part. It operates on a 12-volt lithium-ion battery, costs $20, which you would have to purchase separately. Also have the 12-volt battery, the flashlight built in for an additional $10 more, and you would have to get the charger for another $20. One of the other neat things about this is that any of those items qualify for spend $199 in tools and you'll be enrolled in the Tool of the Month Club, which means that every month you'll receive $10 in points that is really good for a Craftsman tool purchase. So it's like getting a free $10 tool once a month every month. You hit $199, which brackets $108. If you purchased 2 of the flashlight batteries, the charger, and the jacket, be at $187.96. So you would almost be there. You just have to buy something else. Okay, back to Rite Aid. Duracell batteries. You can get the 12-pack of AA's or AAA's or 3-pack of 9 volts or a 16 pack of the hearing aid batteries, $11.49. Purchase one, you'll get a $5 up reward, $1.50 off one coupon for the batteries, and your Procter & Gamble newspaper insert of October 26. And there's a $1.50 off one coupon that's a video values coupon that you can stack with it. Make your out-of-pocket price $8.49. You get the $5 up reward. It's like getting it for $3.49. Steal of the week on Coke of any of the drugstores is at Rite Aid. It's on sale 3 for $10. Forgot to mention it in the list, so you may want to write that down. These next deals are for gold level membership. This means that you've already spent $1,000 this year in the store before coupons, which is actually pretty easy to do with coupons. Now you get 20% off of everything in the store that isn't already on sale. So the Eco Bath and Beauty Tools, you spend $10, you'll get a $4 up reward. Eco Tools pretty frequently puts out a coupon at coupons.com for either $1 off a brush or $1.50 off of 2. They had one, I think it was last month, for $1 off of brushes. The expiration date on the Eco Tools coupons is really far out. Whenever you're on coupons.com and you see an Eco Tools coupon, just go ahead and print it. Fortunately, it's not available to print right now, but just in the future, if you don't have one, just remember to do that. You get the Eco Tools retractable kabuki brush, is $7.99, and the bamboo 5-count brush set, it's for mineral makeup, it's $9.99. The 6-piece essential eye set, it's also $7.99. Use 3 of those $1 off coupons. Pay $17.77 out of pocket. Get $8 back as an up reward. It'll be like getting each thing for $3.26. Artificial nails and eyelashes are on sale. When you spend $10, you'll get a $3 up reward. Get 3 of the Ardell false lashes priced at $4.19. You'll spend $10.05 out of pocket. You'll get your $3 up reward, getting each thing for $2.35. Wet ID or Astroglide personal lubricants, and I'm sorry I forgot to mention it in the list, so you may want to write this one down as well. You buy one, you'll get a $3 up reward. I don't know if it's going to be select items, but if it's all of them, get a couple of the Astroglides for $6.49. Figure in your 20% discount, you'll get it for $5.19 out of pocket. You'll get the $3 up reward. It's like getting it for $2. The Trojan personal lubricants, the 3 ounces are on sale. When you buy one, you'll get a $5 up reward. So they're regularly priced $19.99. 20% discount, you get it for $15.99. Get the $5 up reward. You may have a coupon. I didn't get these coupons, but there's a $2 off coupon. Smart Source newspaper insert of October 24th. Expires on the 24th of this month. Didn't get the coupon, you could get this for $11 after the up reward. You may want to take a look and see if you have any of the ones that have the tag that says save $10. I don't know if that's a rebate. I didn't pull that apart and take a look at it, but you may want to take a look at that for yourself.